let's get started on the day one recap. And the principles I'm following: intermittent fasting, keto diet, exercise. So my fast lasted for 17 hours. I lasted at 8 p.m. the previous night and didn't eat again until 2 p.m. the next day. Workout wise, I carried out an extended walk, which resulted in 11,000 steps by the end of the day. So diet wise, I broke my fast with a keto bread mug cake. And with that, I topped it with avocado, Stilton cheese, and a handful of walnuts. It was so good. And that kept me full until about 5:30 when I had dinner. And for that, you'll see I had a really lovely lemony egg, mushroom, and cream one dish. And because I had been light with my net carbs, I was able to have a little baguette, petit pain baguette. Whoop, whoop. And for dessert, I had half a banana, some Greek yogurt, some chopped tomatoes, chopped nuts, and a little bit of a plum compote that I had made from plums in the garden. It's lovely. And then later on, I was a little bit hungry, so I literally just had 1 teaspoon of peanut butter, which was brilliant. So the body benefit for all of those is I'm trying to push my body into ketosis. It's going to take a couple of days until I get into that. But the food choices that I made was all protein based, so it kept me fuller and let me ease in. So as you can see here, I'm using ChatGPT as my diet coach. Yesterday, I just put in what I'd eaten, what I had in the cupboard, and it worked out what my macros I'd used, what macros I had left, and came up with some suggestions on what I could eat next, which was incredibly helpful and very time-saving. So just to recap, you can see here, ChatGPT has taken into consideration my age, late 40s, that I'm perimenopausal, that I'm insulin resistant, and that I want to follow the principles of intermittent fasting, low insulin load meals to get my body into ketosis, and I'm incorporating some form of daily movement. So here's a summary. So if you found this video helpful then and want to follow my journey, please do click on the link below to subscribe, and you will be notified of every new video that I upload, which the goal is to do that on a daily basis.